Hi there, I'm here in Woodville and have I found a hidden gem for you. Surrounded by trees and set on over 2,000 square metres, this fantastic family home has 3 bedrooms, ensuite off the master, spacious living, great layout and a modern kitchen. I'm Jackie Beals from Property Brokers and welcome to 119 Vogel Street in Woodville. So there you have it, a fabulous family home with a perfect mix of space and great features. The sought after location in Woodville is close to local shops and cafes, and it's an easy commute to Palmerston North, Dannevirke or Pahiatua. I'm Jackie Beals from Property Brokers. Decent family homes like this don't last long. Be sure to contact me to find out more, or I'll see you at the next open home.